I wanted to give you a quick and easy peasy way to save money and make your night cream last you longer. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your favorite night cream. You're going to place it on the back of your hand. A dime size will do ya. You're going to take your finger and you're just going to dab a few spots. You're going to start lifting under the chin and massaging around, always going up since gravity wants to bring us down. Remember to avoid the eye area because you're going to use your eye cream for that. That is going to help you be able to make your favorite night cream last you longer. What happens many times is we take our favorite night cream, we place it here on the palm of our hand, and then we rub our palms together and then we start applying our night cream. Well, now our palms got most of the night cream and our face gets the leftovers. We want our face to get the majority of the night cream, and then whatever is left over, you can nicely take that and massage around your hands. Since our décolleté, our neck and our face and our hands are getting the most sun, we want to really make sure that we're protecting those areas with our day and our night cream. All right, I hope that saves you money, and I hope that you learned something new. Thanks.